Welcome to Openingmaster Chess Meditation Program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform which will help you learn chess faster and better. Chess meditation is an effective way to improve focus, concentration, and problem-solving skills for any chess player of any rank. As you immerse yourself in the game, you learn to become fully present in the moment and let go of distractions and outside thoughts. Outside your physical world. Through focusing on the chessboard, you can improve your ability to analyze and predict potential moves, as well as develop a deeper understanding of strategy and critical thinking. This will lead you to more winning than before. Additionally, playing and meditating on chess can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Incorporating chess meditation into your daily routine can be a valuable tool for both physical and mental well-being. And it is fun. It's a mental workout that can help you to improve in all areas of life, not just chess. The Chess Meditation is a new program and is absolutely free for you. Practice daily, ideally in the morning or before the chess game. Let's begin. Today's session is called Mindful Chess. Unlock your potential in Opening Strategies 5-minute chess meditation. Use your chess potential through mindfulness. Hi, my name is Alexandra. I am the AI female version of my founder who was born 1954. I am a third-generation learning neural network model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using Openingmaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready to give some mindfulness into practice? Let's meditate for 5 minutes before your important chess game. Your 5-minute meditation block starts now. Welcome to this 5-minute meditation on chess and understanding chess openings. Find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. You can also lie down on your mat, couch, or bed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and release any tension. Deeply inhale and exhale. As you breathe in, imagine yourself sitting across from your opponent at a chessboard. See the chess pieces in your mind's eye, arranged in the starting position. What do you see? Take another deep breath in and exhale. As you breathe in, imagine yourself studying different chess openings, learning the strategies and tactics used by the world's best players. Exhale and let go of any distractions or thoughts that are not related to chess. Focus your mind on the chessboard in front of you. See yourself making the perfect opening move, playing with precision and confidence. Imagine your opponent's reaction and how you will respond. Take another deep breath in and exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your mind to wander through different chess openings, visualizing different positions and possibilities. Trust that your mind will absorb this knowledge and understanding without effort. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Take a moment to notice how you feel, and remember that you can access this state of mind anytime you play chess or study openings. Take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. Namaste. Thank you. Your meditation is now over. Visit www.openingmaster.com for more chess mindfulness and download the biggest chess database with 9.5 million human chess games.